Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to remove message button on Facebook page. So if you also want to remove message button on Facebook page, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into your page. You can see over here, Facebook application has been opened. Once the Facebook application has been opened, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen just below the message icon. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the menu interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Scroll down. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for settings and privacy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see more options over here. You'll be able to see the option for settings, device requests, link history, dark mode, cellular data uses. In order to remove the message button, all you have to do is tap on the first option, that is settings. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Under audience and visibility section, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for page details, how people find and contact you, posts, stories, page setup, reels, etc. In order to remove the message button, all you have to do is tap on the second option, that is how people find and contact you. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. At bottom, you'll be able to find the section for messaging. You can see the question over here, allow people to message your page. Right next to it, you'll be able to see the button. If you want to remove the message button, all you have to do is toggle that button off. Simply tap on that button. Now people will not be able to message you and the message button will be removed from your Facebook page. So that is how you remove message button on Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.